Hi everyone, welcome to the third chapter. In this chapter we will be discussing which approach we will take when it comes to texturing our scene. I will guide you through basic texturing in Blender as well as in-depth texturing using multiple textures to get the desired result we are looking for. But before we start out, I wanted to empathize upon how much our reference research matters even till this chapter. I know you're probably tired of hearing these two words, but get used to it because I will be referring to it many more times. The reason we did our reference research is to tackle every step we took and see if we can refer to each step. With this I mean from basic blocking into textures, asset collecting, to last but not least our final image. As you may remember, I also took the time to find proper reference on how the destruction is going to look like, and fortunately I found a couple of great references along the way. As you can see on the screen, we can divide the layers of a broken plaster wall in 3 categories. 1. Bricks, 2. Lath board, and 3. Plaster. By doing our research, we can have a visual reference we can look at while we are texturing the wall. Even if the textures you found may look great at first sight, it's very important to be as thorough as possible to match our real-world references. Here is a great example of texturing like a master. This image is done by Florent Lebrun. This image looks awesome. But why does it look awesome, and what does awesome mean in this all? Coming to think of it, if you were to pitch this idea on paper, it might sound boring. And this is one of the many things I learned while working on The Last of Us Part 2. He took great effort and time to make every single texture in the scene look believable and react to light properly. This elevates the idea to something amazing. Every single part of his image works because he is referring to reality and enhancing that for his own storytelling. So in this chapter, we will be discussing how we can achieve something similar for our own scene. Without any further ado, let's start texturing.